Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your images from Behance. So first of all, you need to come here on your profile, which is going to be your Behance profile. Then among the projects that you have created, simply select that particular project in which you have the images available and the image that you want to download. Now click on the option of edit project here on the top. This way you will be shown this type of portfolio editor page in front of you. Now in order to download the image, simply click on the pencil icon right next to it. Then simply click on the option of download original. Now when it opens in a new tab just like so, you can just simply right click on it. Then click on the option of save image as, and then you can just simply click on the option of save in order to save this image inside your computer. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.